Okay, let's solve this question together. We have to find dy dx if y is equals to x squared divided by square root of x plus 1. So let's solve this one. Y is equals to solution. Y equals to x squared over square root of x plus 1. So by implication, you remember that up is u and down is v. So it means that we let u be equals to x squared and then v is equals to square root of x plus 1. So let's differentiate this one. Du over dx is equals to 2x. If you don't know how we get this, you can refer to my teaching. You bring this one down, then reduce this one by 1. So same happen here. There are two ways we can do this. This can be written as v equals to v squared equals to x plus 1. So we can do this one this way, or v is equals to x plus 1 in bracket raised to the power of 1 over 2 because of this square root. So dv over dx is equals to, you bring this half down, then differentiate what is inside. When differentiate 1 is 0, when differentiate x is 1. So 1 times half is 1 over 2, is still half. So now we'll still replace this one, then 1 minus half to give us minus 1 over 2. Which by implication, when we simplify, it will give us 1 all over 2 square root of x plus 1. So having gotten that one, then we'll now bring dy over dx using quotient rule is equals to v du over dx minus u dv over dx. This is the formula for quotient rule. That is, if you have a question in division form like this. So now dy over dx will be equals to our v, wherever we see divide by v. So now let me bring this one down a little. V squared. So dy over dx will be equals to our v. This is the value of v. Remember when we calculated for v, it was square root of x plus 1 multiplied by du dx is 2x minus our v right now. Our u is x squared times dv dx, which is 1 all over 2 root x plus 1. So now, having gotten this one, then divide by, remember that v squared is equals to this, so we'll just have this one to be x plus 1. So x plus 1. Having gotten this one, let's see how we'll manipulate this to be able to simplify further. So dy all over dx will be equals to, here, this will take this and multiply by this. That is, we'll have 2 root x plus 1 multiplied by this time, this which is 2x root x plus 1, then minus x squared all over minus x squared all over 2 root x plus 1 all over x plus 1. So dy over dx will be equals to, you see, the coefficient multiplying the coefficient will have 4x squared, 4x, we have 4x, then root x plus 1 times root x plus 1, definitely that one is x plus 1, then minus x squared divided by this one, which is 2 root x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 balance here with 1. So this is going to give us this time this will give us 4x square then plus 4x minus x square in bracket, another bracket, in bracket we have all over, we don't need to put this in bracket, we have all over 2 square root of x plus 1 in times 1 all over x plus 1. So by implication, we can subtract this minus this, which will give us the same thing as 3x square plus 4x divided by, this will be 2 open bracket x plus 1 and then square root of x plus 1. Then we can factor out certain things here, or instead we can also take this one inside. We can take this inside. How do we take this inside? We square this and take it inside, so that we will have this to be the same thing as factor out x open bracket 3x minus 4 plus 4 in bracket all over 2 square root of x plus 1 all to the power of 3. So this is how we can leave this answer. How do we get this raised to the power of 3? For us to take this inside square root, since they are the same term, we square this one and take it inside, so that square plus 1 will give us 3. So that's how we come to the end of this particular. It means that dy over dx is equals to this. So that's how we solve this. Just look at it.